Hey, Wildcats. Last level for the CYOC project. That's awesome. We are so proud of you guys. We're so glad that you are at the end of this entire experience. Okay. I'm going to take you guys through our last level, just like always. This one's culture. There is so much about this level that is completely creative and fun, all right? But it's a really long level. It's the longest one you've had so far. So it's really important, guys, that if even if you're in this video or if you are, tell your friends to read all the pieces carefully, okay? All right. As always, we're going to start with research, okay? So click on that research document. You're going to open it up, all right? Read through the document. There's going to be just 2 to 3 annotations per page, all right? This first part is just reviewing some different parts of culture from social studies. And then the second part is getting into what you guys are going to do for the science piece, all right, which has to do with inheritance and genetic traits, okay? So read through that. Again, it's not too long, but 2 to 3 annotations per page, okay? All right. Then you're going to, again, just like always, paste the link to your research in this box, and then you're going to start in on the level. So step 2, elements of culture. All right, you're going to get in here and you're going to really dive into some of the pieces that make up your country. So first thing first, history. We want you guys to create some historical events for your country. The first one is like how you were founded. So how was your country established? Just give us some background. It doesn't have to be super long, just a sentence or two about how your country was founded. The next one's a natural disaster event. So like tell us about some sort of natural disaster that occurred in your history and how you guys dealt with it. The last one's just a unique historical event. So this can be anything you want. Choose wisely. We've had some really creative things in the past on this one. So just kind of spend some time, think about what would be unique in your history for your country, okay? Then moving on to religion. You're going to highlight here in the chart 3 to 5 religions that are going to be represented in your country. If you want to add one that's not listed, just put it here in the other box. Then you guys are going to complete, just like you've done before, this graph. So you're going to click on it, you're going to edit it on the religions 1, 2, 3, like in here, you guys can change the names of them and then the percentage of the people that represent that religion in your country. Next is language. This must be real world language, all right? We want you guys to tell us what language is spoken primarily in your country and why, okay? Art. We're giving you guys the option here of actually doing a type of art or music. So either one is fine with us. And so you're going to tell us blank and blank are major types of art or music, and then just tell us why, okay? Here you're going to provide an example. So if this is a piece of art, so if you did like painting and photography, like we want you guys to just find or create a visual representation of that and put it here in this box. If it's music, then we do want you guys to like link a song in here for us to listen to. Now, it does need to be school appropriate, so keep that in mind, okay? Daily life. All right, so a couple of things that are going to go in daily life, all right? The first thing up is your signature food dish. And you really need to think about this because this is definitely going to be based off of like where your location is. So think about like what you can grow on your island. Think of what like is nearby your island, okay? And then like tell us like when it might be served. Like is it during like a religious holiday? Is it some unique holiday just specific to your country? Just kind of fill in the blanks there. It's pretty self-explanatory. The next one's favorite sport. I know you guys might get into this, okay? This one can be completely made up or real. So tell us the name of your sport, kind of how it's played, some of the rules in it, and then like why is it unique to your country and your island. Okay. The next one is just another unique aspect of your daily life. So this can pretty much be as open as you want it to be, just another unique part of like the people's daily life in your country. Going back to our economy level just for a second, you guys did GDP and you guys went through all of that. So now you're actually just going to create a visual for that, okay? We want you guys to decide job industries. So I've even linked just a list of different job industries that you can like kind of come up with. So, I mean, it's all alphabetized, and we just want you to create a visual of the different job industries that people could have in your country, okay? And you're going to put that visual here in this box. The next one is a huge piece for your writing portion of this level, and that is a poem about your country. And it's really important that you guys know that you need to include at least 4 specific aspects of your country. Okay. So really include like all these pieces of culture, include like, you know, like what's the name of your country, where it's located, if you can, like bring some of those other pieces from previous levels into the poem. Okay. And then put your finished poem here. And then this next step is a huge part of your science grade. And some of it's going to be new information. Okay. So what you guys are going to do, all right, is you're going to answer these questions, kind of like thinking about some acquired traits that you would want in your country. Like, what do you want kids to learn in school? Like, what will be a value to them? What would be of value, for them to learn in school? Like, what's going to be something they really kind of put at the top of the list for your community and your island? What special skills will children learn from their parents? Like, what hobbies will they learn? So this can even go back to some of the things that like you come up with in daily life if you want, or like going back like to the job, to the industries. Like if there's one industry that's going to like dominate your island, like that definitely would probably play into some of these parts of skills and like things that they do. Okay. And then inherited traits. This one's going to be a little different. Okay. So for this, you're actually going to click on a completely different activity. And then once you finish the activity, you're going to post the finished part here. So when you click on that link there, it's going to take you to this document. Okay. How are traits inherited? Some review vocab for you guys. And then you guys are actually going to complete this entire activity as part of your science grade for this level. Okay. Ms. McCall has been super awesome, and she even did an explainer video for hereditary in this activity. So she's going to walk you guys through that specifically. When you're done with that, you're going to come back here. She'll explain again this. You're going to paste a picture of your finished product. All right. And then you're done with this level. So like I said, guys, I know I was talking super fast, but I wanted to get through it first. We have our checklist down here, and then we have your learning goals to be assessed at the bottom. Okay. So this whole entire thing, okay, is your culture level and your last level of this project. All right. So really take your time with it. Be detailed. Give us some exciting things that are happening in your culture and your island. Bring back pieces that you talked about in previous levels, and really have fun with it, guys. It is a fun level, and we're excited to see what you guys create.